Hello everyone, welcome back to Winn.learning. Today we are going to learn another interesting topic, which is solving equation in one step by addition and subtraction. If you remember the last video, I discussed how to solve an equation in one step where we use another two operations, multiplication and division. Today we are going to learn about addition and subtraction. So the equation looks similar to this, like 2 plus a is 9. Here, as we have discussed before, the two constants are 2 and 9 and the variable here is a. So the rules to solve the equation, one-step equation just by addition and multiplication, are similar to the one that we discussed in multiplication and division. First of all, we will isolate the variable to get just variable by itself on one side of the equation, and again when isolating a variable, follow the opposite operation. So here we have two operations that we are discussing. These are addition and subtraction. So the opposite operation would look like, for addition we have opposite operation of subtraction, and wherever there is a subtraction we will use the opposite operation of addition. As simple as that, right? So let's get started with the same equation that we started in the first step. 2 plus a is 9. So here we have equation of 2 plus a is 9. Now first of all, we need to identify the variable, which is a here. Now the whole thing is to isolate the variable and just get the variable by itself. So here we have to get the variable, that is a, by itself on one side. How can we do that? By using the opposite operation. Now for opposite operation, here I have 2 that I want to move from a. So here it is addition. What I do is use subtraction, subtract 2. But what we do to the one side of the equation, same thing I have to do to the other side of the equation too. So I subtract 2 from this side too. Now this cancels out, and what I have left on the left side of the equation is just a, as we wanted. And what is 9 minus 2 on the right side of equation, which is 7. So the answer to this equation is a is 7, as we wanted, just variable by itself, and we use the opposite operation. Now let's look at the another equation. At this point, again, if you want to pause a video and want to solve this by yourself first, go ahead. Again, the same thing, we have to isolate the variable, that is just b by itself. We have 5, which is a constant that we want to separate from b. To that, use the opposite operation. So addition, we use subtraction, we subtract 5 from one side. But what we do to the one side, same thing we have to do to the other side of the equation. We subtract 5 from both sides of the equation. On the left side, this cancels out and I have b alone on the left side, and on the right side I have 45 minus 5, that gives me 40. So answer to this equation is b is 40. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please click a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you and have a nice day.